Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Hope you are all doing well. So welcome to my channel and welcome in my new video. In this video we will discuss about the example number 3 and 4 of chapter number 4 of C++ in object oriented programming. The task number 1 and 2 are in my previous videos. I will mention the link in description, so kindly go and watch it. So in this video we will discuss about the two tasks, the task number 3 and 4. The task number 3 is a program to find out the area of triangle when three sides A, B and C end of the triangle are given. The task number 4 is program that inputs mile from user and convert miles into kilometers. 1 mile is equals to 1.609 kilometers as given in the question. So let's start the video.